Chomi, if you are staying in a neighborhood that allows fireworks, my friend, please work harder. My friend, please sell something. My friend, please do something. Stay in a neighborhood that does not allow fireworks. And then you will say, Chomi, if it is, I've made it.
Hey, Sanbon. If you live in a neighborhood whereby kuvunyelwa cricket, my friend, you need to work very hard. Aitin. Khohlisani not aitin. Abantu thina la esihleli khona sina stress asi nabanking. La esihleli khona asikho isigungu esihlala esisitshelayo ukuthi besine meeting saphuma nesinqumo sokuthi izindlu zizopendwa ngokhalo nje. La mangifuna ukwenza umcimbi, mangifuna ukuyisa inkomo kufanele ngibhale, ngicela ukuthi ngicela ukuyisa inkomo kami emzini othengwe yimi. Futhi nakhona leso sicelo uzwa ngabo ukuthi bayasithatha noma cha, bakutshela ukuthi uzo traumatize izingane. Hayi thina. And most eyalabantu abakhuluma lo dodi abantu abasaqashile kulezi ndlu abaclaim ukuthi ezabo. La khona umuntu mayesefica ukufa masithi sesiyafika kayi ke ubafo wayethe la indlu yakhe kuthiwa cha akuyona yakhe indlu uya rent intanazo izimpahla thayi into ayithenga nje ubhutweni la endlini umbhede nje kuphela. Ubuke nawo umbhede into engasile nje into ongafike undlule nje uyinika amaphara lapha akuzingana nazo ubhuzane akana next. Kodwa nikwazi ukutshela thina ukuthi kufanele sisebenze kanzima ukuze sizophuma endaweni la abasha khona amalona amacricket into eya once off i31 kuphela. Futhi nje ngenxa yamacricket wena nje usungazi nje impela uyidele nje uphume ahle nini ihaba ahle nini kusibuza. Thiwa hawu yazi useswala ekhaya usebenza eGoli uhlala endaweni ethizeni. Ngizazi vele indawo zaseGoli amadolobha khona ngwazi. Hayi indawo nje class uthi uyafika uvula ifridge kunezambane elilodwa. Khonqoza ifridge nalo libangisana nesigubhu shayisana ngapha nangapha uzubona ukuthi ikhanda lisebenza ngazi izambane walibona apha ihlale efridgini. Okumanje nje into ayijabulele nje ujabulela icagogo ngoba bekade amenywe umuntu asebenza naye noma umngane wakhe wathiwa wozodla naye iChristmas lunch wabuya nayo useyoyiphathiswa kwezikhali zamantungo ukuthi aphinde abize umunye umuntu athi akabuya azodla futhi nakhona abuye naye i-take away. Hayi asiyazi thina leyo mpilo leyo asasiyazi. Thina sazi lempilo le yabona nje umnisitshela ukuthi kufanele sisebenze kanzima ukuze sizophuma la indawo esihlala kuzo ngenxa yamacricket. Thina sazi igodi thina la khona njengoba bekunguye nje uChristmas hlantsha inkomo ngale nangale kwisiwe inkomo kusuka isigodi sangapha siyodla ngale. Yabo impilo leyo kuzwana nabantu. Qona uJethwe nojabulela ukuthi uhlala wedwa endlini awukhulumi namuntu. Abantu ogcina ukukhuluma nabi labo osebenza nabo futhi nabo awuzwani nabo usuyoqudula ilanga lonke fike nasendlini awukhulumi namuntu awujoli wesiphathi. Ayikahle nina msanje ukusidakela nina fuse kanje msanje usibhedela.
Ayi bafethu yabona umuntu omnyama ne once wathola imali nyana nje he will make you feel it done. Ayitshela ntwana. Yeah, but that's a problem is abodaki. You see the problem with us abodaki is that once we start getting a little bit of money, just a little bit of money, when God blesses us with a house or blesses us with a business or a proper job, we have this tendency of making comments like this. Like this, Buffett. And if you research these guys who always brag about where they stay, who always brag about how much money they have, always brag about these things. If you research them, you'll find out that they come from poverty. they come from a very, very, very poor background. Young child. That's why I don't blame them, most of them, when they become successful and then they make us feel like parasites or make us feel like we are failures. I understand where they come from. Most of them, they come from deep in poverty. They used to go to sleep with an empty stomach. Young child, as soon as they get a little bit of money, they start saying statements like this. Young child. That's why I don't let them aggravate me, because I understand what poverty does to a black man's mind or a black woman's mind. Azifana nani yabona le gang le ekhule kabo gogo, ekhule kabo mkhulu, or ekhule ihlala kabo malume. Yabona le gang le ithi bathenga izindlu uzobona, they will make you feel it. They will they will make you feel it. Like ekhule kabo gogo, kabo mkhulu, kabo malume, or kabo auntie, they will, if let them buy houses, they will make you feel it. Umdala so sahlala kini, ayi indaba ufuna ukukhula, ayi mina nginakwami, mina phela nginakwami. They start looking at you like this. Yabona nibona ngento simple majens njengomqasho. Yangithola le gang le bafethu who never had homes, once baqasha, they will make you feel it. They will make you feel bad about you having an inheritance. Phela mina ngihlala kwami. You understand? This is why you shouldn't let these people aggravate you. I let them take the win most of the time, because they had it hard. Most of them, they had it very hard, bafethu. If you research their background, you'll realize why they make you feel bad, because they grew up envious. Most of them, they grew up very envious. You understand? So they finally made it so obvious. They will make you feel some type of as ifana nani majets. Yabona le gang lebuye emakhaya. Yabona mabazala eGauteng, mabangathenga indlu, bazokenza ukuthi ufile mfana. Ukuthi hayi mina nginendlu phela ngifani nawe. Like angikubuzanga dog. But they'll make sure they mention it. You see the problem with us black people. We come from poor backgrounds. Our backgrounds are so poor that as soon as we make a little bit of money, as soon as we make just a little bit of money, we make poor people feel it. If you research most of these guys who talk like this lady, go research where they come from. Go research it if you think I'm lying. And then you'll understand why they say things like this when they get successful. Most of us, we don't have to. Because we grew up home where we had freedom. So even if we buy our own houses, nothing changes. We still have freedom the same way we had freedom when we were still living in our father's or mother's houses. So we won't brag and we won't make people feel sad about living in the townships or not having homes or houses because we grew up there. For us, it's nothing new. But these guys who grew up, abakhuliseka kabuhlungu bahlala bakhumbuza ukuthi asikuyini la. Yabona they were fighting for space. As soon as God blesses them, they will make you feel it. But they will make you feel. It's like these guys who were raised by single mothers. Have you seen these guys who were raised by single mothers? As soon as they get married, yes, they're gonna ask you, why ungashadi ntwana? You understand? It's because they always wanted them. Tina, we can't brag about marriage because we were raised in it. So we won't make people feel less because we got married. But somebody who grew up with a single father or single mother, as soon as they get married, they're gonna make you feel it. They're gonna make you feel sad for being single because they never had that. They always envied that. You understand? So don't be aggravated by these type of statements. Just understand where people come from. Don't aggravate you. When people brag according to what they lacked. People brag according to what they lacked. If you never lacked something, but you always had an abundance of something, you won't brag about it. Sometimes shangata wouldn't. Not posting things like this. So sometimes man, because you always had abundance of that. But if you lacked something and then you get it, yes, asilibonanga. Asilibonanga. Siyokhumbuzwa the way singafuna ukukhula ngakhona. Siyokhumbuzwa the way singanamali ngakhona. Uzobusitshela, why don't you open up a business? Why don't you save money? They start being accountants. As soon as they become successful, now they are telling us why we are poor.
A warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. So, this lady was dragged kakhulu nje for lenkulumo yakhe la ikhulumile la athi khona, if your neighborhood still allows fireworks, it means you need to level up nje empilweni. So yena uvelile with another video la khona ati redeema asho ukuthi no, lenkulumo leyo for yena it was just a self-motivation. And quite a number of people really felt as though lenkulumo yakhe portray as someone lotiphakamisako lotibeka etulu nje lobukela phansi labanye bantu kokuthi how then do we measure i-success yemuntu sisebenzisa ama-fireworks. Kuphinde futhi kwabakhona abantu abambalwa that really did not see anything wrong with the statements zakhe basho ukuthi bantu nje bathatha yonke into personal. You are very much welcome to share your views.
We all saw the statement below. Between the 30th and the 31st, the statement was circulating on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on TikTok as well. So when I saw the statement, in fact, I was very, very motivated when I saw the statement because I had recently bought my house. And, sometimes you think that you are leveling up, and there's always another level. So when I saw the statement, for me, it was a motivational post. It wasn't a disgrace. It wasn't a classist. It was actually motivational for me. And I knew that the people that follow me, people that have been following me for years, and I create a lot of content, they would get it. But then it blew out and it got misunderstood, it got interpreted in different ways. And if there's anything that you know about me, go to all of my social media pages. I am one to motivate people, to inspire people, because I don't come from anything. In fact, I'm an orphan, I'm a single mom of 2. So I'm not one to judge. I don't even have the capacity to judge anyone. The statement to me resonated. Tato, work harder so that you can buy even a bigger house that is not a carport, It inspired me. And I thought that people would receive it in that way. But clearly, we got into 2026 on a very negative note where I was misunderstood, I was called names. And if anything you know about me, I stand and I know my truth. I know what I meant. What I meant was, Tato, work harder so that you can buy a bigger house, a bigger car. Like Tato, work harder. It was echoing that to me, and clearly did not resonate with a lot of people, and that's okay. Everybody's opinion is valid. Everybody has the right to feel or take the statement however they choose. But for me, from the bottom of my heart, go and look at all of my pages. I don't bash women, I don't disrespect anyone, because I don't come from, I'm not coming from a rich family. In fact, a rich family is coming from me. So honestly, your feelings are valid, your opinion is valid, but really, it was never meant to be malicious. Thank you.